Today's video, I'll be sharing with you all the makeup that I've been obsessed with for the month of May. By the way, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. First one I want to talk about is this palette from BH Cosmetics. I haven't used it in so long and it's so beautiful. It is what I use today. By the way, if you want to see this makeup look, I'll do a video just in case you want to see how I created it. Just look at this. It's a blush and highlighter palette. They're so gorgeous, so many different colors. The highlight is blinding. Just look at it. I did do a review of this palette, like if you want to see the swatches and everything. Again, it's the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali. What I have here is this lip gloss. This is from NYX. NYX has so many butter glosses, but this shade is my favorite, and yes, it is what I'm wearing today. I tried to include so many things that I'm wearing today because I definitely have been obsessed with them for so long. This is creme brulee. Guys, if you haven't tried creme brulee, it's so gorgeous. Like if you don't want too much color but you don't just want like a completely clear gloss, just it's gorgeous. Yep, smells to die for. Now this is the Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift. Try and review so many waterproof mascaras and I'm always like, oh my god, I don't know now which one I love more. It's always been a battle like between these two. I have reviewed both of them if you want to see them on. I think this one is winning now. First it was like my L'Oreal Telescopic and waterproof, but now I really think is this. It's gorgeous. It gives you volume length. It holds the curl, which is like so important to me. You already know that. I need to buy another one. I had stocked up so much on this one, not that I don't love it, but they're like, they look completely different. Like look at the wand from this one. Both like on the top of my list, but I think this one is my number one for now. It's so gorgeous. Maybelline and L'Oreal just like the best when it comes to mascaras. Talking about mascaras, I want to mention this lash glue from Lily Lashes. It came with these lashes because it was like a little kit, like a little ornament. I'm pretty sure you can still get it at Sephora, and it's these beautiful lashes which I'm obsessed with. They're super voluminous and like out there, and you would think that they would feel so uncomfortable, but to me, I'm not a person that wears lashes all the time, and to me they're not uncomfortable. Like that's crazy to even say. And again, it comes with this lash glue. You know I die for the premium lash glue from, I believe it's Kiss, that I always talk about. But this one is so good too. Like I really have to buy another one of these before I run out. It's the Lily Lashes Brush On Lash Adhesive. I love like when you close your eyes you can't see the glue anywhere. I want to talk about this palette, the Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral. Once I saw this palette, I always knew I was gonna love it. And two looks with it. The first one was using more like the browns, and then this one all over the lid. These two, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love that look, but I decided to create another one today, and it was using this palette, and it's just so beautiful. Beautiful. You can create so many different looks, and it's a cool tone. You guys know I love my cool tones. Also reviewed that foundation of theirs if you want to see. It wasn't the right shade, but I have to mention this here. This is the Wonder Beauty After Hours highlighter, and just look at that. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. No glitter, no shimmer, nothing. You glow to the gods, and it's, oh my god, I can't. I've tried to purchase it. I don't see it anywhere. I don't know why. That one, I'm pretty sure I got it in an Ipsy bag. I have to mention this, which is one of my newest favorites. This is by Bite Beauty. Did just review this. If you haven't seen it, check it out. They have two different versions. This is a primer. You know, they just recently came out with like the Bite Beauty Change Maker foundation, and they also came out with a primer. This is like a deluxe sample that I got to try. I was pleasantly surprised. Like I said, I just did review it if you want to see how it looks on, how my makeup looked like after a couple of hours. Great. And this one is from normal to oily. They do have normal to dry as well, so it doesn't matter your skin type. They have something for you to try. I really like how it made my pores look. Skindinavia primer spray. This is, the summer is coming, you definitely would want to like spray something to like make your makeup hold longer. Fine mist, oil free, paraben free, and it really just helps. And I do have like a big bottle, but they had sent these small ones, and I just like to refill it in this small one to keep it with me, and you just spray and it feels amazing. Yeah. It just feels so good. You know, I tried the one from Jeffree Star. That one did not work for me, for my skin type. Also, Tarte just came out with one, but I believe it's gonna make your skin like dewy. So I don't know. I think it's the Maracuja. It's supposed to be like a continuous mist, just like the one from Morphe. Another highlighter here. This is from Space Case, and it's called Seen from Space. Another beautiful one. Love this color. Again, this is called Seen from Space. I got it in an Ipsy bag. Love receiving highlighters to try. I don't know if I mentioned it last month, but I have to mention it again because I'm truly loving it. The e.l.f. liquid glitters. I've done like 3 different videos with 3 different colors. This one is bling bling, showing you 2 different looks using like this as a topper. Beautiful and like a wet look. I haven't tried it like alone. You do have to like build it up a bit and be careful because you might get a little bit of fallout, but it's so easy to use. Just check out like some of the videos that I did, really quick videos, just putting on some like eyeshadow and this on top, and it's so beautiful. I think they have like 7 different shades, I think, and it's like $5, I believe. Now they're bite-size eyeshadow palettes, the small. Oh my god, there's so many that I want to get. The purple one, oh, so gorgeous. A perfume here. How am I not gonna include a perfume? You guys know I'm big on perfume, and this one is one of my newest purchases. I really wanted to buy the big one, but this is all I could do for now. This is by Bulgari. I don't know if you say it properly, and it's the Eau de Blanc. I'm not sure, you probably don't even say it like that, but you know what I mean. It's so beautiful. It's perfect for this time of year, for spring, for summer, but you can use it whenever you want. That's what I do. I don't care. But everybody has different tastes, so subtle. I don't think it's offensive. I think it's supposed to be like white tea and something else. So many perfumes on my wish list, I can't tell you. The one from Valentino, there's one from Versace, there's from Ness. I went to Sephora was, I don't know, maybe like February or March, and I was trying a lot of them, and I can't wait to be able to purchase them. I have several perfume videos if you're interested to see them. Of course, my Milani Luminoso. There's so many blushes out there, but nothing looks like Luminoso. That's why it's always sold out. That's why so many people's favorites is a baked blush. It's beautiful. It's the perfect color. It's just a dream come true. It's just gorgeous. Like, I can't explain it unless you actually like put it on your cheeks. Many shades, and I think I did a video showing you like 4 different shades or 3 different shades. If you just type like Milani, I did like swatches of like 3 of them, so you can see the difference if this color is not for you. But it's so beautiful and it looks gorgeous on the skin. You look like a doll. Let me know what you've been loving this month. I would love to hear and try some of your favorites. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.